So these three bodies, they turn up at the morgue one day, and weirdly enough, every single one of them has a massive grin on his face. The inspector, he looks at the mortician and he asks, "What happened to these blokes?" And the mortician points to the first one. "That guy's a Frenchman, 60. He died in the arms of his mistress, and that's why he's smiling." And then he points to the second. "Irishman, 30. Won the lottery, spent it all on whiskey, and he died happy, hence the smile." Inspector, he nods and he points to the third body and he says, "Right, but what about him? Billy the farm boy from Oklahoma." And the mortician shakes his head. Tragic. Struck by lightning. Lightning? Then why on earth is he smiling? Oh, well, he thought he was getting his picture taken. Man, you got to subscribe to Laughaholics for your daily giggle. Catch you later, guys.